Hi YouTubers, this is a continuation of part 16 where I've actually made some mistakes. Yes, I wasn't too smart. So here are my corrections I've already taken. As we talked about before in part 16, the goosenecks, and these are the new locations, whereas before I was depending upon the locations between the funnel here and the funnel there, which was about 1/4 of an inch. So I had to spread them out. And I think they said like 11/16. Yes, here it is on page 39, figure 128. Here's our funnels. As you can see, 11/16 between. And I just placed them wrong. So what I did, removed them, filled it in with putty, and then repainted. Yeah, I really didn't know until I was looking at the bits, and they didn't fit. It was all incorrect, so I messed up, but I corrected it. Now to our after goosenecks. As you see there, these are the new locations where it should be, and here's our figure, and it shows from this point to this point. They calculated 1 3/16, and then from there to there it's 2 3/4, which equals out 3.9375, which is on our caliper here. And let's take a quick measurement. Get the thing located here. There we go. Looking at the figure of our model on page 35, figure 124, the beam, or the width, is 6 7/16. And on my model size, it's, as you can see, 6 3/4. So for the best of my knowledge, I just used 3.5. And 3.5 is the choice I made, which corresponds to all the landmarks and everything else here. Thanks YouTubers for watching, and I'm sorry for my mistakes, but I've corrected them. Thank you. These are two pictures, a before and after relocating the after large goosenecks. They were removed, filled in with a dowel, covered with spot putty, and repainted. The new holes were relocated and drilled to size, and the goosenecks were reinstalled.